Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. So, lots of people asking why I haven't uploaded for a few days. So, unfortunately, I haven't been well, and the weather wasn't that brilliant either. So today you find me a little bit better, and we're going to do an outdoor a video. So I mean, I needed to go there anyway, and it's a store called The Range. Okay, so we are at our familiar starting point, which is the railway station, and we will show you the way from here to the range. Okay, let's turn the camera around and start the journey. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. नाजरीन, जैसा मैंने आपको बताया है, काफ़ी दिनों के बाद वीडियो अपलोड कर रहा हूँ। कुछ तबीयत नहीं ठीक थी और कुछ मौसम भी ऐसा था, तो आज हिम्मत करके वीडियो लोड कर रहा हूँ, शूटिंग कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे व्यूइंग फिगर्स अनफॉर्चुनेटली बहुत ही डाउन हुए इन 5-6 दिनों में जो मैंने नहीं कुछ अपलोड किया। सो प्लीज़ गुजारिश है कि वीडियोस देखें और प्लेलिस्ट भी प्ले किया करें। Viewers, it really is disappointing to see the views really falling back. You know, a lot of effort goes into making these, and then I only get 60-70 views. So please try to watch the videos fully, and also play the playlist. Okay, so we've turned right from the railway station, and we're on a winding road. Okay, so this is one of the ways to get to the range. There are of course others through the town centre, but as you may recall from a previous video, the town centre has quite a bit of roadworks. They are rearranging the traffic system. To the left of us, our bus station, which still isn't complete. नाज़रीन, ये वाइंडिंग रोड है, यहाँ से हम लेफ्ट होंगे, वो है जी ब्रॉड स्ट्रीट, तो उसके बाद हम राइट टर्न करेंगे टुवर्ड्स ऑरेंज स्ट्रीट राउंड अबाउट, और उसका साइड एक्सिट जो है वो लेंगे. So I am going to turn right at the next set of traffic lights towards the Orange Street roundabout, instead of going, right to the end and via Gibbet Street, which would be a good way of getting there. It really is a nice store. There's such a variety of can we say hardware, and also even food items. I think they've teamed up with Iceland and got some food that they sell. So as you can see ahead of you, really is a lot of roadworks in Halifax at the moment, and unfortunately these are going to take I think the best part of 2 years. So नाज़रीन, हम टाउन सेंटर के करीब हैं. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड is the town hall. Very long traffic lights. Hopefully we can get through. see many roadworks ahead, right up to Bull Green, many diversions. Okay, so we are approaching Orange Street roundabout, and we can do a sharp left, or we can do another left to this exit from the carriageway. To the right of us, of course, is the carriageway. So you might, ahead of me is a police car, no doubt heading towards the police station, which is just next door on Richmond Road. Okay, so we are going to turn right from here. Some of the traffic lights feels like we're here for eternity. So that right and then a sharp right, and there is the range on our left hand side. Okay. So this is Richmond Road, and the range is just here. It's called Lewis Street. Quite a large store. So just past their warehouse section. So I shall park well back so that you can see the area from here. Okay, so this is the range. I can get out of the car and show you the area. Okay, so this is the store that we have come to, viewers, the range, and behind it, of course, is Pelham Lane. On this side, you've got Martin's Mill, and as you can see on this side, previously, you might have noticed there was two big tower blocks. Those have been demolished, and in its place, we got these what look like beautiful houses. I would imagine there's a good 50 to 100 of them. So a nice housing estate. Okay, let's go inside. They do have their own garden centre inside as well. But then we've got this small area on the outside. So as you can see, there really is a vast array of things, kitchen items, and also even frozen food from Iceland, and I think there's a cafe down there. So I'll try and film as much as possible. I need to go to the hardware area and then make a quick video of the rest of it. Okay, so even a hair accessory section. Let's just walk. And they always have special bargains. And this side is the hardware section. Okay, so we've got car items there. And this is the section I need, DIY, and it's next to the paints. Okay, so bedding section, some blinds on this side. Oh, beautiful, beautiful lighting area. Oh, love the chandeliers. नाज़रीन यहाँ बहुत ही वैरायटी है, हाउस होल्ड आइटम्स है, फर्नीचर है. So, as you can see, lots of furniture, quite a bit of it self-assembly, but that's a groovy sofa colour, and some really nice dining tables. And lots of things for the summer. Okay, so it really is a very large store. Too large to make one video really, but I can, I just want to show you some of the varieties. Look at these outside canopies, come tents and furniture. It's a bit bigger than a gazebo. I was going to say it's a gazebo, that isn't. Really are beautiful. Summer umbrellas and things like that. And at the back we have some beddings. Okay, I'm just going to show you one more section now, which is the garden area. Then we're going to end the video there because as I've told you, I'm not in the best of health at the moment. I'm feeling quite tired, so we will go there. नाज़रीन ये देख सकते हैं यहाँ कितनी वैरायटी है. ये देखो, ये गार्डन के लिए इन्हें गज़ीबो कहा जाता है, कैनोपी कहा जाता है, सनशेड्स कहा जाता है. ओके, बहुत ही ज़्यादा वैरायटी. अच्छा, आपको एक और सेक्शन दिखाएंगे, गार्डन सेक्शन, तो फिर वहाँ फिनिश करेंगे क्योंकि मेरी तबीयत नहीं ठीक. सो इंशाल्लाह गार्डनिंग सेक्शन दिखाते हैं तो वहाँ फिनिश करेंगे. Look at the first thing in the garden you may do is barbecue. So this is the garden area, viewers. So we take an overview. Some, how can we say, buildings, also that's bird feed, and lots of sprays, etc. for the garden. So lots and lots of seeds and lawn care products, and of course ornaments. Okay, so we'll just go to the plant section and finish the video there. Okay, lots of garden equipment and pots. And I also come here for seeds. Okay, so as you can see, some beautiful plants here, all ready for your garden. Okay, so this extends right over there, and we have some building material there as well. Okay, a beautiful display. I'm going to end the video there, viewers. I do hope you've enjoyed this little trip to the range. So as you can see, they've got a very large variety of things, and as always, I love the garden and the DIY section. That's what we come here for. But there's also a nice bedding and kitchen things as well, so highly recommended, I would say. नाज़रीन, आज की वीडियो यहाँ तक. जैसा मैंने कहा, मुझे कुछ टेम्परेचर है तो मैं ज़्यादा देर बाहर नहीं रहना चाहता. आज यहाँ काफ़ी दिनों के बाद टेम्परेचर्स राइज़ हुए हैं. पाकिस्तान का हिसाब तो नहीं है मगर 20s में ज़रूर है. Okay, viewers, I say thank you for watching. As always, please keep watching. Please watch fully. Please watch the playlist. The watch time has really deteriorated recently. So until the next time, I say thank you once again. Look after yourselves, look after others. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआ में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज़.